How to create animated cartoon story videos. So creating animated cartoon story videos can be a very engaging way to express ideas and entertain audience. So here's a very structured approach to help you get started using various tools and techniques. Very first thing is that we need to develop our story. So script writing is really important because we need to outline our story. So for this I use a ChatGPT. Here you can use several ways. For example, create a short cat new story, and it will just you can just give more context to ChatGPT or whichever AI you use here. Now ensure your story has a very clear beginning, middle, and end alongside with well-defined characters. Right, so as you can see here, in a quiet little village, a tiny gray cat named Whisker lived with an old woman who adored him. So this is a very short story, as you can see here. Now use our voiceover. So how we can do this? For this I'm going to use 11 labs. So this is a 11 labs. Just go and click on here. Now you can use it for free, for you can use it around I think so 10,000 words here. So let's just go and click on try for free or try a sample here. So I will just copy the first some words here, right? Yeah, and you can buy the, and here now here you can just go and select. Here you can just go and change these, if whether you want male or female, whichever voice you like. Here there's a language, right? And then just go and click on try for free or here. Now then it will start creating.
A tiny gray cat named Whiskers lived with an old woman who adored him. Every night, Whiskers would curl up on his favorite chair and drift off to sleep. But one evening, as the clock struck midnight, a soft mew echoed through the house.
Now you just heard that how this can be really interesting. There's a several other features, for example, voice changer, dubbing, right? And there's a several things here. Now what's the next step? So we need to create our characters. For this I use Leonardo AI because this is free for very initial use, right? And daily we get some credit so we can use it for free. But if you have subscription of Mid Journey or any different kind of, you can use it. Now once you log in into your Leonardo account here, just go and click on image creation. Now here I will just ask Leonardo, create a cartoon cat, cute, happy, right, and fat, right? And just go and click on generate. Now here on the left side you can see there's several ways to do it. For example, if you're just creating for your shorts, for example YouTube shorts or Instagram reels, so you can just go and change the aspect ratio. Here you can increase it, right, numbers of images. So it will just take a few seconds, and then it will create some of the characters here, right? So you saw here, and we can just improve the prompt. For example, I want cartoon or something like that, right? So you can also do this. After that you can use Leonardo or same thing to create your background. For this we can use Animaker or Canva, right? We can use various templates and elements that can customize to fit your story settings here. Right now it's time to animate your video. So combine all the elements, characters, your voiceovers, background using video editing, for example, CapCut. Now if you don't know, you can use this Animaker to make animated videos for completely free here, right? So it's really easy, right? You have to just add the text, or you can use your images to make your videos or just backgrounds. And once you have everything, you can just put it in the timeline. For example, this is CapCut, and let me just open it up here, right? And I can just put everything on the timeline, and from here I can just play the videos, right? So this is a way to do it. And once satisfied with the final product, export your videos in a desired format for sharing on platforms like YouTube. Now upload your videos on YouTube, and you can just check on the analytics, and you can, depending upon it, you can make more videos. So this is how you can do it. And let me just tell you, for script writing you can use Gravity, right? For voice generation you can use 11 Labs. For character design you can use Adobe Express or Leonardo AI. For background you can use Canva or Animaker. And for video editing just use CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, Beachable, or any of these softwares, right? There are too many editing softwares available. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.